I remember doing Deborah Cox. We can't be friends. To just that life we never were to come around. And I showed her how dare we read by shaking hands 2 months ago. I was your man. What's your name? Verbally agreed it was over. And we were two. I'm trying to compose myself. But I just can't get over you, girl. We can't be friends. We can't. Damn it, you know that we won't be just your friend. We can't be friends, 'cause I'm still in love with you. Yeah, I went by my house, saw your contact, to hers to found me, and it don't feel bad for everyone to just go on. And I tried and I can do it if I still don't. I try to think of you. It's just another day in my pain, love. But it's not that simple, baby. We can be free. Whoa, whoa, no, no. We can if we can be lovers, we can be free. 'Cause I'm still in love. You may say never is or catch me in the day. You see me hang my head when you come my way. Don't get too close to me, expect me to behave. I might just steal a kiss when you come near my face. But I'm trying to say, be free. Can you love me, baby? Yeah. Being in the day you don't love me. Tell me you know. Promise I know. Be friends. I never find another love like it. Be friends for you. I love you for you. Ooh. Ooh.